How to enable Windows Biometric Service in your Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so you may follow out these steps carefully so you can follow. Let's get started. So first of all, we can open up Services, press Windows plus R, and then just type in services.msc and hit enter. And this should open up the services window on your screen. Now from here, we can just scroll or type in W and look out for the option called Windows Biometric here. So find Windows Biometric Service, double click on it, and this pops up. Now in the startup tab, select the option for automatic. After that, go ahead and click on apply and click on OK and apply the changes. Once it is done, you can check your biometric settings. So press Windows plus I to open up your settings and go to your accounts option here. Find accounts and go ahead and click on it. And within accounts, look out for sign in options and this one right here. And look out for biometrics option here. We have facial recognition and fingerprint recognition. You can set up your biometric here. Just go over and click on the setup option to go ahead and set up and follow up the process and sign in if needed as well. And if your biometric option is missing, make sure your device has a fingerprint reader or IR camera, and you can update your drivers for your Windows as well. But usually by turning on this option, you should be able to set up biometric for your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.